Hello everybody, welcome. Now, this one today is off a subscriber I was meant to do ages ago and I completely forgot. And it reminded me the other day. So Jags, this one's for you, mate. It's going to be quite simple and hopefully it's going to be delicious. Let me show you what we're going to do. Right, so we're going to be doing a 3-strip hot and spicy chicken burger. He says get these from Aldi, which I did. I've done them on my channel before, I think. I can't remember. Flamin hot chicken strips. They are quite nice because I have had them before, as I say. Let's put my glasses on so we can read it. A main per 3 chicken strips, which is what I'm going to be used. 258 cows. Okay, succulent strips of chicken in a hot and fiery coating. No improved recipe. And on the back, there's all the nutrition. You have yourselves a look at that. Do what you do. Pause and whatever. There's all the ingredients. Boom. Now, I'm not going to do them in the oven, I'm going to do them in the air fryer because it is convenient and it's just as easy in the air fryer. No point putting the oven on. I've also got some cheap cheese, some lettuce, bit of mayo, some seeded buns. And now we didn't say put any hot chilli sauce on, but I've got some Nando's stuff there. And because it's hot and spicy, I'm going to put a bit of that on as well, because why not? Right, so let's open these chicken strips up then. And they are quite big. There they are. That's them there, quite big, aren't they? And you do get quite a few in a pack, look. So, first things first then. I'm going to get my crisper basket out of the air fryer. I'm going to stick that in. I'm going to do 3, because it says 3 strips. Get 3 decent sized ones. There we go. 3 of them. Now I'm going to put them in the air fryer. So it's going to be nice and simple. In they go. 200 degrees, 180 degrees, air fry's on. Put them in for 20 minutes. It says 20 minutes in the oven, but obviously I ain't going to take that in the air fryer. And then we'll chop some lettuce up. We'll toast the buns. Then we're ready to go. Right, I'm going to get my lettuce. I'm going to chop that up. Nice and simple. Right, I'm just going to wash that. Lettuce is washed and dried. I'm just going to use my toaster to toast my bun. I could have put it in the air fryer, or could have done it on the hob, but I'm not. I'm going to do it in the toaster. A couple of minutes. Toasted. Done. Lovely. Nice and simple. I've got my OFG boards. Craig made me. Thanks, Craig. Links in the description if you're interested in having a look. Now, I need, it says mayonnaise first on the bottom. So we'll do a bit of mayo. Oh yes. Then a little lettuce. Bit of lettuce on there. One's still a bit rubbish there. There we go. Have a wine on the chicken. Shouldn't be long. Want a bit of. I'm going to put a bit of extra hot chilli on the top of this one. Oh yes. Obviously you don't have to do a hot and spicy one. Them chickens, they do a southern fried one as well. Gonna get my cheese ready. Nice and simple. And we just wait for the chicken now, shouldn't be long. Chicken's done, so we're gonna get that out now. Turn that off. There we go, there's the chicken, looking nice. So 3 strip chicken, so we want 1, 2, 3. Oh yes. Get some cheese on top. And then another dollop of mayo. And there we go, a free strip chicken. That looks quite nice actually, doesn't it? Oh yes. Right, taste test time. So, what do we think? Yes? No? I think yes. Right, let's have a taste test. Don't forget to do a southern fried one if you don't like spicy. The chicken's gone on the floor. Oh no. See it? No! They got me chicken. Good job, this is just a test. Because I'm going to have this for me tea. Can't believe that. Oh, tell you what, that is gorgeous. I really like that. Jags did say, do me some chips, whichever ones you prefer, but I'm going to do that for tea anyway. That is superb. Cheers, Jags, for that. As I say, nice quick one. Half it's on the floor. Never mind. But try it. £3, I think there was £3.15 for them chickens. They used to be, I think they used to be £2 something, but obviously everything's gone up, innit? But anyway, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye. Gutted where that got on the floor, but I've got this bit to eat. Then I'll do my dinner. Bye.